2, 3. Peppa party, Peppa party with my friends and me. Welcome to my world of toy and playhouse. Hi guys, my name is Essence. Today I'm going to be cooking an egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the pot. I'm going to pick it.
Hey, Cookie.
I gotta pick up my sleeves. Pour a little bit more. Let's go everything. Oh. Wait, I didn't put that here. I got it. Yeah, it was good. See that, guys? When you put out like this, you think it's slime, right? Add the pan first before you cook. Or somebody big or a big kid. Because you don't want to get booze from the pot stove. Ooh, look at that. It's sticky. See that, guys? Look, when you turn it around like that, it's new. You're done. It's gonna be good when I eat it. So good, Auntie. This is not salty. I gotta go, guys. Until this season. Bye. Subscribe.